Listen carefully. This English is easy. Let's start. Hello everyone. My name is Emma. Today I will tell you about my weekend routine. It includes sleeping, waking up, studying, and even a little hike.
I will speak slowly and clearly. Are you ready? Let's start. Great! Here we go.
On Saturday morning, I usually wake up a little later. I get up at 8 o'clock. I make a cup of tea and eat a simple breakfast. I feel relaxed because I don't go to work. After breakfast, I clean my home. I wash the dishes. I sweep the floor. I water the plants near the window. In the late morning, I often go shopping. I buy bread, fruit, and vegetables.
Sometimes I meet my friends. We go to a cafe.
Sometimes we go to the park. We walk slowly and enjoy the fresh air. On Saturday evening, I like to cook something nice. After dinner, I relax. I watch a movie. On Sunday morning, I usually read a book.
This lunch is so yummy.
Yes, it's great to eat together.
I love these moments. In the afternoon, I prepare for the new week. At 10 o'clock, I go to sleep with a smile. The night is very quiet now. Everyone is resting. I feel calm and peaceful. My weekend was nice. I am happy. Before I sleep, I think quietly. I think about my day. I think about good moments. Small things make me smile. Life feels simple and good.
I feel thankful today. I am thankful for my family. I am thankful for my rest.
Tomorrow is Monday. A new week will start. I feel ready. I feel confident. Now it is time to sleep. I turn off the light. I close my eyes slowly. Good night. This is my weekend routine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.
Hello, hello, good, good, morning, morning, tea, tea, eat. Let's learn words together. Book, read, sleep, home, walk.
Friend, friend, coffee, coffee, family, family, happy, happy, nice, nice.
Water, water, homework, homework, music, music, window, window, smile, smile.